This is every farmer's nightmare. There is no farmer that has ever praised to experience this kind of a thing. It's the worst farmer, worst farmer's nightmare. You can see how the wind destroyed this portion of the cornfield, and an aerial camera would have been the best to show you the extent of the impact of the windstorm. Assuming the farm has actually scaled into an operation or into a bigger operation. Maybe this very particular corn would have been harvested, fermented, and used as a liquid fertilizer, or probably given to the animals as part of their feed. Please do kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button. One of the things that I also experienced, that I also observed when I came into this very portion, is that the rodents have started coming to eat the stem of the corn. It is more like a feasting ground for them, since the corn is now majorly lies on the floor. So they just need to crawl, they don't need to do much stress before they have access to the juicy stem of it. It's a blow, it's a devastating blow, but I'm very sure we are going to bounce back. I'm very sure. I just have to sound that way, that yes, we are going to bounce back. Thank you so very much for subscribing to this channel, and see you some other time.